It's the loudest trunk car in world history that's been recorded.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
Yeah.
So what's your name and what's in here, man?
Conley Milligan. I've got a F5 18 Omega on a 7500 SCV. Sundown.
Wow.
Really, some stuff we just kind of throw together. Done a metering, and I've been running HDX4, but I switched to this F5 right here just last Sunday, so I've had some tuning problems, you know what I mean? But
yes,
for
sir.
the most part, I mean, trying to get it together, we're gonna play pretty much all stock alternator, one run of power, one run of ground, 2 AGMs. But I mean, yeah, for what it is, you know what I mean?
Awesome. What vehicle?
It's a Chrysler 200, 2015.
And any SPL tests on it?
Yeah, dude. It's done 58s, 59.
Really? From the trunk?
It's the loudest trunk car
That's
in
awesome.
SPL world history that's been recorded.
Wow. Was it not with this sub though?
It was with an HDX4 sound cube. So this one ain't really
okay.
got no testing on this thing. That's a behemoth.
That thing is huge though.
Yeah, and then like I said, the box, I need to redo the box, and I've been having issues with port trying to. I can play it, but it ain't, it ain't an all-day player no more. I mean, it'll.
Any kind of cabin work?
No, other than the roof. I mean, I had 2 layers of Virflex on the roof. That's it.
Okay.
I mean, I blew the windshield out and I broke the landing out of the windshield. I mean, it's taped in there now.
Yeah.
The C-pillar's breaking back there. I mean, it's cracking everything.
Dang. Yeah.
Everyday driver.
Yep.
I mean, I drive this thing
Daily driver and still competed. So
every day.
Wow. A couple more questions because you know your stuff.
Yeah.
What's your port aeroport length and size, tuning, and all of that?
Well, there again, I just put this sub in here Sunday.
Okay.
I can't really tell you, Jacob. Honestly, I don't know. I've been testing. I ain't had it back on the meter. I really ain't sure. I built that port there. It's kind of.
That's an 8?
It's a 10 to 8.
10 to 8. Oh, okay.
I built a flange and put in it, just trying to work this sub out with this box.
So you still got a lot of testing and tuning.
Oh man, I got a month of testing and tuning.
I believe it.
Just I wouldn't even put it on the meter to try to catch a number right now. 'Cause I don't know what the final load and everything is. But I'm pretty sure the box is gonna have to be redone.
Where's the amp in the back?
In the back.
Okay, I'll go look at it.
With Justin, I do a lot of help Justin do most of his bills and all.
Okay.
But, wow. See, it's getting a little smell to it.
Yeah.
I've been playing it hard this morning.
Yeah. Okay.
Got a 45-minute ride, and I mean, like I said, this is a daily.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
I beat this thing like that every day, and I'm still trying to work that out. You know what I mean?
Appreciate it, man.
Yes,
Your
sir,
name?
Brother. Conley.
Conley. All right,
Yes,
Jacob.
sir.
Is there where I can see the back?
Yeah.
Awesome.
It's kind of messy a little bit.
Yes, sir. Well, that's part of the project, so.
It's been
How many years have you worked on this system?
Well, this year, honestly, we started meeting it. My girl made the NFPL last year.
Okay.
I threw this in there in 3 days before a show.
Wow.
Now, I'm not running on lithium, as you can see. This is just when we burp.
Okay.
I'm running on 2 AGMs and on the bottom right now.
Got it. Let's talk alternator.
Yeah,
Wow.
Alternator, 1 run of power, 1 run of ground.
What coils are these on the sub?
That is 1.4.
So down to 0.7?
0.7, somewhere around there. My box drive and all that is probably somewhere around. Right now, it's kind of killing me. Because my box drive is probably around 1.8, 2 ohms. I really don't make the power I need to make it.
Yeah.
But with the box like it is, I don't need to.
You don't need to, yeah.
I mean, because I'm already stressing that cylinder.
Yeah. Can I look inside real quick? Nice.
Yeah, I drive this thing every day.
Wow. That's a big sub too.
Yeah, she's grown about 135 pounds.
Wow. Have you considered putting something underneath to keep it braced, or you just got it mounted down good?
I kind of built the box where,
Yes, sir.
It's going to be an issue to come back to address by all means.
Yeah, oh yeah.
But I threw this in here, honestly, this past Sunday, just to make it out here.
Okay.
So, you know what I mean? Just something to play with. And like I said, I'm a bass head, man.
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
I do this on a daily, man.
All right.
I love it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Nice to meet you. All right, yeah, man. I'd love to hear it first and then check out the back. Okay, better with the doors open?
Yeah, man, it don't matter. That sub with that box there, it likes to breathe a little bit.
It does? Okay.
Okay. With Justin, I mean, I do a lot of help Justin do most of his bills and all. Okay. But,
wow.
See, it's getting a little smell to it.
Yeah.
I've been playing it hard this morning.
Okay. I appreciate that.
I got a 45-minute ride, and I mean, like I said, this is a daily.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
I beat this thing like that every day, and I'm still trying to work that out. You know what I mean?
Appreciate it, man. Your name?
Brother. Conley.
Conley. All right,
Yes,
Jacob.
Yes, sir. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Nice to meet you. You have a good day.
You too.